Are you feeling that smartphone fatigue, endlessly swiping on glass slabs that all look the same? Well, it's time to snap out of it. Hey there, digital trendsetters and retro cool hunters alike. In today's video, we're diving into a world where style meets substance, where the satisfying snap of a phone is making a monumental comeback. That's right, we're talking about the best flip phones of 2024. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because you're not going to want to miss a moment of this. We're flipping through the latest and greatest to bring you a lineup that's turning heads and making the tech giants watch their backs. From the ultra-luxe to the surprisingly affordable, these flip phones aren't just a throwback, they're a throw forward into the future of mobile tech. Number 10. Motorola Razr. Kicking off our list is the Motorola Razr, a name that evokes memories of the mid-2000s when it was the epitome of mobile cool. The latest Razr is a masterful blend of nostalgia and innovation. With its sleek, foldable OLED screen, this phone isn't just a throwback, it's a statement. The external interactive display keeps you updated without the need to flip open the phone, which is perfect for quick replies or controlling your music. Flip it open and you're greeted by a vibrant, full-length touchscreen that's a joy for streaming and apps. The camera system has been significantly improved, with a 48MP sensor that takes sharp, vivid photos even in low light. Performance-wise, the Razr holds its own against its non-flip competitors, thanks to the robust processor and clean Android interface. The battery life is decent, getting you through most of the day on a single charge. And when you do need to power up, the turbo charge feature is incredibly handy. The Razr is for those who love style and substance. It's not just a phone, it's an accessory that's bound to turn heads. Number 9. Nokia 2780 Flip. Next up is the Nokia 2780 Flip. Nokia has a long-standing reputation for building durable phones, and the 2780 Flip is no exception. This phone is all about simplicity and reliability, with a user-friendly interface and a tactile keypad that feels great to use. The 2780 Flip is perfect for those who want a no-fuss phone for calls and texts, with some smart features like WhatsApp and Facebook for staying connected. The camera is modest but takes clear and bright photos, suitable for capturing those everyday moments. Battery life is where this phone truly shines. You can go days without reaching for the charger, making it a fantastic choice for travel or as a backup phone. Plus, the classic flip design means your screen is protected in your bag or pocket. For those who want a modern flip phone without all the bells and whistles, the Nokia 2780 Flip is a solid pick. Number 8. Total by Verizon TCL Flip 2. At number 8, we have the Total by Verizon TCL Flip 2. This phone is a great entry point for those looking to dip their toes into the world of smart flip phones without breaking the bank. The TCL Flip 2 offers a clean and intuitive interface, with a decent-sized screen that's clear and easy to read. The keypad has large, well-spaced buttons, which is a blessing for texting. It also comes with 4G LTE connectivity, ensuring you have fast internet on the go. One of the standout features is its hearing aid compatibility, making it an excellent choice for those with hearing difficulties. The phone also boasts a simple yet effective camera, long battery life, and a built-in FM radio, which is a nice touch for music lovers. If you're looking for an affordable flip phone that covers all the basics with a bit of modern flair, the TCL Flip 2 is worth considering. Number 7. Plum Flipper 4G LTE. The Plum Flipper 4G LTE claims the 7th spot on our list. This rugged little phone is designed to withstand the elements, making it ideal for the outdoorsy type or anyone who's a bit rough on their gadgets. The Flipper is not just tough, it's also smart. It runs on a simplified version of Android, allowing for the use of essential apps without overwhelming the user. The large buttons and straightforward menu system make navigation a breeze. The camera is decent, capturing acceptable images for quick snaps. The 4G LTE capability means you can stay connected at high speeds, and the Wi-Fi hotspot feature is incredibly useful when you need to share your internet connection. Battery life is impressive too, with the Flipper lasting for days on standby. It's a no-nonsense phone that's built to last and perfect for those who need a reliable device for communication and basic web browsing. Number 6. TracFone Nokia 2760 Flip. Rounding out the first half of our list is the TracFone Nokia 2760 Flip. This phone brings the classic flip phone experience into the modern age with its sleek design and contemporary features. The Nokia 2760 Flip is designed for ease of use, with a large keypad and a clear display. It includes essential apps like YouTube and Google Maps, bridging the gap between old-school functionality and new-school needs. The camera is surprisingly good for a budget-friendly phone, capturing clear images that are great for sharing. The 4G LTE support ensures that you're always just a flip away from fast internet access. One of the best things about the 2760 Flip is its battery life. You can talk for hours or leave it on standby for days, making it a reliable companion for those long days out. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a simple, functional phone with the added convenience of modern apps. Starting our list at number 5 is the Motorola razr Plus. Motorola has been a pioneer in the flip phone market since the original razr, and they continue to innovate with the razr Plus. This device marries nostalgia with modern technology, featuring a seamless folding mechanism that feels sturdy and fluid. The external display is practical, allowing for quick glances at notifications without the need to flip open the phone. Once opened, the 6.2-inch OLED screen is a true delight, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The user experience is smooth, thanks to the snappy processor and clean Android interface. The camera setup, with a 48MP main sensor, captures crisp images, although it can struggle a bit in low light. Battery life is decent, it gets you through the day, but don't expect any miracles. Overall, the razr Plus is a solid choice for those looking for style and substance in a flip phone. Coming in at number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cell phone. Samsung's expertise in foldable technology is evident in the Z Flip 4. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display is a sight to behold, with the added benefit of a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling. The cover screen is a useful touch for selfies and notifications. Samsung's UI is well optimized for the folding form factor, making multitasking a breeze. The dual camera system delivers versatile photography options, and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset ensures top-tier performance. The battery life is an improvement over its predecessor, and the 25 watts fast charging means less time tethered to an outlet. User feedback highlights the compact design when folded, making it perfect for slipping into a pocket or clutch. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 cell phone. Building on the successes of the Flip 4, the Flip 5 takes it a step further. The cover display is larger, offering more functionality and customization. It folds into an even more compact shape, yet when unfolded, the display is impressively spacious. The hinge mechanism has been refined for durability, giving a sense of security with every flip. Camera-wise, Samsung has made strides with improved sensors that offer better low-light performance and more detailed shots. The user experience is top-notch with the latest One UI. It's intuitive and enhances the foldable experience. The battery longevity is impressive, easily lasting a full day with moderate to heavy use, and the fast charging is quick and convenient. Number 2 on our list is a bit of a wild card, the Nokia 6300 4G. This isn't a smartphone like the others, but it deserves a spot for its sheer reliability and ease of use. It's a modern take on a classic design, offering 4G connectivity, a suite of essential apps, and even Google Assistant. The build quality is solid, and the tactile buttons are a joy for those who miss physical keypads. The user interface is straightforward, with no learning curve, making it ideal for users who want simplicity. The battery life is outstanding, often lasting several days on a single charge. It's the perfect secondary phone or for someone who wants to stay connected without the distractions of a full-fledged smartphone. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G cell phone. This phone is the epitome of flip phone innovation. The 6.7-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display is stunning, with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz. The phone's exterior is sleek, with a larger cover screen that offers more functionality than ever before. The Flip 3 is not just about looks. It's water-resistant and has a stronger, more durable frame. The dual camera system is versatile, offering fantastic photo and video quality that rivals non-flip smartphones. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset ensures everything runs smoothly, and 5G connectivity is a huge plus. The battery life is sufficient, and with 15 watts fast charging, you won't be out of commission for long. User experience is where the Flip 3 shines. It feels like a traditional smartphone when unfolded, but the ability to flip it shut and slip it into the smallest of spaces is unmatched. What to look for in a flip phone? Flip phones have made a surprising comeback in the market, appealing to those who long for simplicity, durability, and the nostalgic charm of physical buttons. Whether you're looking for a secondary device to disconnect from the smart tech world, or just a simple, rugged phone that gets the basics right, here's what to consider when choosing a flip phone. 1. Build quality and design. Durability. Look for sturdy materials that can withstand drops and daily wear. A good flip phone should have a solid hinge mechanism and be able to snap open and shut with ease. Ergonomics. The design should be comfortable to hold and use. Buttons should be well spaced and easy to press, even for those with larger fingers. 2. Battery life. Longevity. Flip phones are known for their long battery life. Check the standby time and talk time ratings. User replaceable. Some flip phones come with a removable battery, which can be a huge plus if you need to swap it out for a fully charged spare. 3. Basic features. Call quality. The primary function of a flip phone is making calls. Ensure it has good reception and clear audio. Text messaging. A simple user interface for texting is crucial. T9 predictive text can speed up typing on a numeric keypad. Bluetooth. For hands-free use, Bluetooth compatibility is important, particularly for connecting to car systems or headsets. 4. Additional functions. Camera. While not as advanced as smartphones, some flip phones come with a modest camera for quick snapshots. FM radio and music player. For entertainment purposes, check if the phone has a built-in FM radio or music player. Expandable storage. A micro card slot can be useful for storing photos, music, and contacts. 5. Connectivity. 4G LTE. Some modern flip phones can connect to 4G networks for faster call connectivity and even basic internet browsing. Wi-Fi hotspots. A flip phone with a Wi-Fi hotspot feature can share its internet connection with other devices, although this is less common. 6. Accessibility. Hearing aid compatibility. For those with hearing difficulties, this is an important feature to look out for. Large, visible keys and displays. High contrast and large font options can make the phone more accessible to those with visual impairments. 7. Operating system. Proprietary OS versus smart OS. Traditional flip phones run on a proprietary OS suited for basic tasks, while some newer models run on a simplified version of Android offering smart features like Google Assistant. 8. Price point. Affordability. Flip phones are usually much cheaper than smartphones. Determine your budget and what features you're willing to pay a little extra for. 9. Carrier compatibility. Unlocked versus carrier bound. Check if the phone is tied to a specific carrier or if it is unlocked and can be used with any service provider. 10. Brand reputation and support. Customer service. Consider brands known for good customer support. Warranty. A strong warranty can be an indication of the manufacturer's confidence in their products. And there you have it, the cream de la cream of flip phones that are reshaping the mobile landscape in 2024. From the seamless curves of next-gen flexible displays to the tactile satisfaction of snapping your phone shut after a call, these devices are not just about making a statement, they're about reigniting the joy of personal tech.